Want to know how to format a code easily in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application, and once you open it up, you should be provided with this interface right here. So I have this simple program which is a little bit messy, and I'm going to guide this Cursor AI in order to format it. So it's super simple. So what you need to do is you can just simply select Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select the entire code and then select Ctrl+K. So now once you selected that, make sure you are under edit selection or quick selection. So once you selected that, here you can just simply type in format this code. So once you've typed this prompt, just simply select enter and your code will be formatted properly. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. So as you can see right here, the result is here as well. So you can just simply select keep. So make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.